Hello folks, welcome back. In this video, how to cook Christmas dinner. Educational video. Some people don't know how to cook Christmas dinner. It'll be educational and it'll be fun at the same time. And well, it's very delicious. We'll have a look at it. Please subscribe to Outdoors with Mike, showing you tricks about hunting, fishing, boating, snaring, cooking, etc. Thank you for tuning in. Well, we got the potatoes going right there. It's part of the Christmas dinner dish. Got the turkey in. It's a stuffed turkey. It's already done. It was already stuffed. Butter ball. Yes, she says. And you put your turkey in, and you put 1 cup of water, and you put tin foil in for 3.5 hours, and a large big turkey 4 hours. So that's how you cook your turkey, folks. So that's what we got going so far. Okay, folks, the potatoes are boiled. We're gonna prepare them. Strain it. We strain the water out. Potatoes good to go. Here's the mashing tool. So we go like this. April and Michael style. Teamwork. I mash it first before I put it in, April.
Oh, put it in.
Put it in, okay. So April said about this much.
This is a nice scoop of butter.
Nice scoop of butter, she says.
Flavor.
Is salt too, you said? Okay, right there, she said. Folks, right there, palm full. And then this mixing is done. Then that's it, folks. That's your dish, potato dish. You could, and then you could, and then put gravy on it. All right, right there it is.
You can put pepper all you want, but
You can put pepper all you want if you want. That is, we'll continue on. We're gonna start the carrots and sweet carrot dish. It's very delicious. So we just go like that. Then we cut our carrots like that. In an angle like that, folks. That's what I want to show you. Cut it in an angle like that. The water going, she put the water in. It's going good. Look, we water and we're gonna start the boil. The carrots are hard. We're starting the process of the carrot and brown sugar.
okay.
Very delicious. Okay.
And this,
Yeah.
I'm gonna make 5 of these, 5 cups.
Yeah.
But
What do you do?
one thing I used to do is I would put some water in here. I cut up carrots small, onion and celery,
Yeah.
and I get it soft first. Then I would cook with this.
No, she got it preheated. How many cups?
5. It's like
5? 1 cup for one?
Yeah.
1 cup for one of these. So she got 5. She's gonna put 5 cups.
This
Okay.
is gonna boil a bit.
That's a process. She's putting some salt,
Just,
sprinkle on there.
swallow it 'cause it's
Just for
gonna
taste,
boil
right?
out, yeah.
Oh, it's gonna boil out, she said.
I helped Mom pick out these two.
All right. We're starting the carrots and brown sugar, and we're starting the stuffing. And the turkey's in also. Mmm, smells good. Okay, folks, we got butter in there. We put 2 teaspoons of butter. 5 of stuffing. We're gonna put 5 cups of water. It's to a boil. Now the stuffing's going in.
It's really good to put celery chopped up small.
Yeah, don't forget your celery and
Chopped up
carrots.
small. Onions chopped up small.
Yeah.
Even a clove of garlic if you want.
If you love garlic, garlic can go in there too.
Yeah, so you don't have plain, but we're plain people.
Yeah.
I used to cook it like that for your dad. And he thought I cooked it all day. It was so funny.
Carrots are juicing out.
That too, your
Spicing
dad
it.
had a lot of carrots.
Oh yeah.
I
My
had
dad.
to figure out what to do with it. He
Yeah.
brought over a milk crate of carrots. Oh
Yeah.
my god, what am I gonna do with all this? So I put brown sugar and butter. And the carrots went fast. Everybody was eating it. I don't think we have enough water. I think when we were opening presents. I'm gonna put, yeah, because it's a little dry, I'm gonna put a little bit of the
Turkey juice.
turkey juice.
Okay, folks, we're checking if it's done. We're
You can
gonna.
put this down and put it on there.
Think it worked?
Yeah, that'll work.
Oh yeah.
We're just gonna put butter on it.
Okay, we're gonna check if it's done. What do you do?
Gently.
Ouch!
Ooh, yeah,
It's
yeah,
hot.
yeah, duh.
The steam came out. Watch yourself.
Don't peel off the skin. It's alright, I guess.
Hey, try to get it on there. Keep the skin on.
Mm.
So delicious. Sorry,
This
folks.
is so good though. Look at all that stuffing.
Nah.
Baste it.
So what? How do I base it? With butter?
There's butter in there though. I'm thinking we just put some of the juice on.
What about this? No?
Yeah.
Is that how you do it?
That's how I
Normally?
do it, but it's
Okay.
a butter ball.
Well, do it the way you do it normally.
But it's a butter ball. It has butter.
It's a butter ball? Oh.
Yeah.
So this one you could use, folks?
Yeah, you can use the base.
Yeah.
But while you're in there, get a ladle. Scoop a little bit in our.
That's it.
Yeah, until it breaks.
Hey, we'll base it all.
Mm-hmm.
All that dry stuff.
Get all the dry stuff. Yeah, get it nice and juicy.
It's very hot.
Oh my god, it looks so good.
It's a but if it was a normal turkey, you use butter. You probably could melt butter and pour it on it
And you just rub
with a
on-
brush.
You just rub butter on it.
Oh, just butter on. Okay.
Put poultry seasoning.
Yeah. Oh, it's gonna be delicious. We're feeding 8 people today.
It's gonna be gone.
Yeah. Alrighty.
Okay, you can put
Oh.
wait. Get a ladle.
What's
put
a ladle?
that scoop to put some juice into the thing?
This?
No. The scoop one, like
Oh.
a ladle.
Oh, a ladle.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a ladle, folks. I didn't know.
Some juice into
This video is
your-
educational
Just
for me
scoop
too.
some in there, bring it down. Yeah, just scoop some because it's dry, remember?
Okay.
Just a couple of those.
We'll go right along in there. Wow, folks. Get that in there. This.
We're making different gravy today anyway.
You strain it. If you don't got a ladle, you could someone could help. 2 people could take the juice out.
There, that's good. You
Okay.
don't want to
There, folks.
Perfect, there, nice.
Now what?
Put it back in there to brown.
Put it back into brown. At what temperature? Same?
Yeah. Just
Okay, for how long?
5 minutes. and
5
it's
minutes?
done. Yeah.
Don't want to burn it.
Now try one of your carrots. Taste one if it's kind of soft,
Okay.
but kind of crunchy. And don't burn. You know it's hot. Is it-
Soft.
Wait, let me see. No. Drain it.
Drain it.
Drain it. Mm-hmm.
Okay, folks, right here.
What?
Okay, show me.
Okay.
Another present where? Right there.
Okay. Put it back in there right away.
Okay. There.
Shut. This can be really minimum low right now.
Yeah,
Put
low.
a tablespoon of butter.
Tablespoon of butter.
Yeah, more.
Okay.
More. We're trying to make like a savory sweet. Yeah. Here, you do this, I'll do it.
Okay. More.
About that much.
Yeah.
Kind of winging it, but
Yeah. We'll
Oh,
just
yeah.
get it educational for you.
yeah. You don't want it really sweet too, but you want
Yeah.
it. Kinda
More
like-
butter. So that's like 3 teaspoons.
You're not gonna eat it.
You
Like,
just put butter and
it's gonna sit at
salt,
the bottom.
butter
It's not
and
gonna- you're not gonna eat all the butter. It's just to
yeah.
keep it coated, you know.
yeah. Just cook it till it's soft.
Just like a couple minutes.
You
just
put
to-
salt, no?
I did when I started it.
Okay. So that's pretty much it. You cook it till it's soft. It's on minimum now. After it's
I'm just gonna let it stay warm.
stay warm. Okay.
Stay warm.
And turn it as you go.
Yeah.
Okay.
For a few minutes.
Till you just want
It's
it soft.
basically done,
Yeah.
but I'm just keeping it warm.
And the stuffing's done. Just need to mix it up, eh?
Now we gotta do our gravy and we're done. Yeah, here's one.
Okay. We'll do a gravy and we're done. The kids are hungry. Okay, folks, we're gonna start a gravy. And this is the gravy we're using today. And we're gonna get...
We're using
Yeah.
some of the juice from this.
Okay.
Wait.
Oh.
Wait.
Okay. How much?
Just the rest of it.
Hold that turkey. Well, teamwork. April and Michael style. Okay.
2 cups.
Okay, we're putting it in.
Cold water always.
Cold water always. And 1 cup of turkey.
Basically butter.
Yeah, you put butter in here if you didn't have none? No.
If I wasn't making it with the turkey drippings, I would do the 4 cups of water.
Okay.
But this is liquid, right?
Yeah.
So it might water
We'll turn that down a little bit.
might water it down, like.
So you put 4 cups of water and three. How many packages? 2?
2 packages,
Yeah.
2 cups per package.
Yeah.
That would say 4 cups of water, right?
Okay. Yeah. 2.
But I used 3 cups of water
Yeah.
instead because this is about a cup of
Water.
fluid.
Yeah. 1 cup of water. So 4 cups of
Yeah,
water
basically,
and
right?
two cups per package for the gravy.
Always when you're doing gravy, you put it in cold water. Whisk it first. Don't ever pour your gravy in the hot water. It's gonna lump.
Okay. Cold water all the time.
Okay, here. We'll see how that comes out. Should be good.
Okay. So you just boil that till it's hot and it's done.
Now we maximize.
Now we turn it up again.
Boil it and whisk it.
Kind of a little bit too thick. April's gonna thin it out.
Yeah, I don't like really thick gravy.
Yeah.
So remember it was 3 cups?
Yeah.
There's the, but I'm gonna see how much I use. Just need a
Just
little
the
bit.
finishing touches. Just to thin it out.
I don't want it really thick.
Just perfect consistency.
You know?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Maybe we could have used all 4 cups here, right,
Yeah.
Michael?
Yeah. So 4 cups of water and 1 cup of
Yeah.
turkey juice.
I guess the butter didn't matter.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
But it's always good to do it this way, like to thin it out.
So we
The way you do
Because
it,
you can't always
Yeah, yeah.
take back.
you adjust
You
it.
can't take it out after, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
You can always put it in, but you can't take it
Yeah.
out.
You just finish it up with water. You thin it to your liking. Okay. The gravy will be boiling and then it's done.
Oh yeah. That's
There's your
better.
gravy, folks.
That's better.
Okay, folks.
This is hot.
We're ready for the turkey. Nice. It's a buttered turkey with pre-stuff. Alrighty. Yeah. Continue now to cut this side. We always go for the breast meat. It's the best. I'll just take it off. Falling apart. 4 hours roast. Whoa, that's good. How to cook turkey dinner, Christmas turkey dinner, April and Michael style. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it was educational. Yeah. We'll get some stuffing in there. Yeah. We'll get a plate fixed up for you. And we'll show you, folks. Just getting this gravy on there. Oh, nice. So delicious. You like stuffing, eh, Tristan? Right there, folks.